Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. So in today's video, I'll be giving you two praise fingering exercise. If you're interested and you want to improve your play in praise, I recommend you watch the video to the end. I also do WhatsApp live lessons every Monday. Okay, so there's a group that I want you to join. You can click here to join, or after watching the video, you go to the comment section, click on the link, you'll see the WhatsApp group link there. Just click on that, it will take you to the WhatsApp group, then you can join and any information will be posted there. Okay, I also do private class lessons, which you all know. You see the link in the comment section, click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your guitar and let's begin with the breakdown. So if you are finding it difficult to play praise, whether you don't have the speed, you don't have the dexterity to play, you don't know how to improvise in any progression that you need, I recommend this lesson to you. Okay, so the first one, we'll be using the triads. So if you haven't learned the triad, DM me. Okay, we'll be using the triad, and the triad we are going to use two shapes. You understand? The first shape will be easy, the second shape won't be easy, but you need to practice it so that it will be easy for you. Okay, so let's look at the first shape. Okay, this is the first one. What I was doing here, I was using the triad. Remember, when you master it, you can groove with it on praise or maybe any simple jam that you know it will fit in. Okay, so it goes like this. On key A, you pluck on your roots, that is your A, your major third, and your major fifth. So that is your 1, 3, 5 on one progression. You understand? Okay, we are looking at 1, 5, 4 progression, but there are more of it I'll be teaching you. So the first target you need to target on is 1, 3, then your 1 again before you go to the 5. So learn the finger movement so that you can use it to apply to the progression. Okay, so with the plucking, this is how I do it. My first finger pluck on 1, 3, then back to the 1 again, then my second finger will be plucking on the 5. You do it with the tempo that is comfortable for you to use. Okay, you understand? Okay, so let's go on 1 progression now to the 4 progression. 4, 6, 4, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 to the 5 progression. 5, 7, 5, 2. Do it again. Then you come back to the 1 progression. Let's use the progression to understand it very well. So on the 1 progression, so now we'll be going to the 2 progression. You understand? So the second shape is another way, another exercise, but another shape, but let's learn it. Okay, so note that the way you played your 2 progression, it is the same way you'll be playing the 3 progression. So master the finger position. 2, 4, 2, 6. When you go to the 3, so when you have mastered the finger position, you just play, it's gonna match. You understand? So you have 3, 5, 3, 7. Again, 3, 5, 3, 7. You understand? Okay, so to your 4, the same. Your 5, your 6. So now let's dive into the second shape of the triad. Okay, so instead of using the normal triad you normally play the shape, you will be starting with your first finger. So you need to learn the first one. 1, 3, 1, 5, and you also have 1 3 1 5 1 3 1 5. You see the difference between the first one and the second one. You understand? Okay, the same to your 2. Your 6 goes like this. So you have your 6 1 6, then your 3. I remember I used this on Yeshua. You understand? Okay, and you can do it on the 2 progression. And on the 3 progression. You understand? So let's say I'm giving you 3 shapes to use. The first one, just like the triangle one, and the second one, the sloped one, and the third one, just like the triangle one, but it's a little bit wider. You understand? Okay, so instead of you playing the triad 2 4 6, you can play 2 4 6. So let's say I'm giving you 3 shapes on that. I didn't realize that this could be in, so it just came into my mind. Okay, so learn the 3 shapes on the triad using that exercise. So how can you use this in a groove? See, so 2 5 1 da. Okay, you understand? So 2 4 2 6 5. You see the exercise on the 2, then you come to the 5, then the exercise on the 1. You can also do it the second shape. 2 2 4 2 6 5, 2 2 4 2 6 5. You can also do it this way, but I think this will be somehow difficult. So I recommend you doing on this 2, then your 5. You can do it on the 6. That is 6 to the 2. 5 1. So 6 6 6 1 6 3 2 5 5 7 5 2 1. You now see that this exercise can give you a groove to that certain progression. Go. We praise your name. We praise your name. To you, the Lord. You see, we praise your name. You see, you can apply this exercise as a groove to it. You understand? Okay, so master it very well. The shapes, the 3 shapes. The first one, the second one, starting with your pinky. The third one you can only play it on the 2 progression and the 3 progression. You understand? And the 6 progression. You understand? Okay, so note that. Okay, so now let's jump into the second exercise. It goes like this. So this is another finger exercise you can use to this progression. Okay, so now I was playing on key F. Key F. So with a slide, you already know the slides, but that is not what we are targeting on. We are now going to the 4 progression. So 1 progression to the 4. Let me show you something. So you have your 1 here, right? So now if you want to go to the 4, you're starting with your pinky finger, and this is how you do it. That is from your toe going to the far, your 7 flat to the 4. So you pluck on the 7 flat, your 6, your 5, then your 4. You understand? So you need to keep on practicing this before you get it. Let me show you something. You see? But you need to learn so that you can master how to use it. The most important thing is to the 4. Then now you'll be going to the 5 progression. The way you apply the exercise on the 4 progression, take it to the 5 progression the same way. You understand? You understand? So try to learn in the progression. You understand? So it's not that you're using it to all the song. Just try to bring it in some parts, and what you know you can try to apply it to. You understand? We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.